Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Emma. Karibu sana. In case you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's been a minute, but I'm here again. So in this video, we're just doing, there's a trip that is coming up in how many days? Today's on Wednesday, so it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. In 5 days, there's a trip that's coming up and I need to get ready for the trip. So in this video, we are going to pack together. We are going to get ready. That is, do my nails, do my eyebrows, do my lashes, do my hair, do my body, to prepare for this trip. And you are gonna see tunaenda happy. So again, nilitoanisha nywele in the course of the week, ndio at least nipunguze kazi. Nilitoanisha, nilikuwa nimeshuka braids, nimetengeneza kucha za miguu that I will show you. Nikatoa kucha za mikono, zilikuwa zimebit sana, size nakapua. My nails have grown and I was growing them out for this trip and I have accomplished that, except for this one. Hebu muone, ilikatika ikaamua itaachwa na zingine, but anyway, regardless ziko sawa. I was thinking niweke tip, but also after the trip probably nitakata kucha, I don't know. But yes, let's first pack together the things that niko nazo. Nataka ku lay out kila kitu. Then this is a hack that I use for prepping for trips or whatnot. Vitu that me, I'm a type A kind of person. So what I do, I create notes on the notes app, and kila kitu nakwanga na check in. Kwanza I usually pre-plan the outfits way before, ndio nijue ni nini nitavaa from day 1 to the last day. Alafu nikiwa nazo, kama sina, I purchase them pole pole. Kama niko nazo, I pair them out na kila kitu kama ni that, I pair them out with kila kitu, that is accessories, the outfit, the shoes, kila kitu naziweka pamoja. So it's very simple for me to pack for this trip. Already niko na a layout ni nataka, so tu nikuziweka alafu tuendelee. So we begin ama aje? Yeah. Organizing for me has never been a hard task, so I just pretty much lay out everything that I need for the trip. I usually work from a broad viewpoint so that I get every outfit possible that I may need in that particular trip. And also, I do extensive research on the activities that I will be doing on the tour so that I get outfits that are relevant for the tours and each and every aesthetic that I chose. I also deeply and accurately use Pinterest and TikTok, where hizo ni za maana sana. They can help you to get the outfit inspos for each and every day that you want. So the first thing is to set apart the outfits that you think you might need. Then you will go further to maybe kutoa zenye unaona ni too much, ama kuongezea zenye unaona, ama exchange zenye unaona. So I was doing modest swimwear, by the way, so I didn't do any bikinis. I just did simple light tops and shorts. And also I packed in a lot of loungewear, which I only used one, but nilikuanga nimesema just in case umeamuka on your period and you have stained your clothes, what should you do? So na change. So on the first day I packed a pair of Bermuda shorts, a tank top and a button down shirt, and innerwear adequate for the day plus swimwear ya hiyo siku. Same thing ya school. Ya pili nikaeka sundress, which nilikuwa nataka a different type, a different design, but sikupata, but yene nilipata ili work out. Same thing na innerwear na swimwear. Then on that day another dress na the same things for swimwear and innerwear. Then something that I also do is to set apart the outfits that I'm going to wear on the days za kutravel, ya kuenda na ya kurudi, ndio nisikuwe mistaken na nisibebe vitu excess. For the shoes, I decided to carry 2 pairs. One sandals, okay, zote zilikuwa sandals but different kinds. Alafu ni kitu yenye inaweza kuwa versatile, unaweza vaa either na pants ama na dresses. Then unaona zile accessories zenye unaweza sahau, unaziweka hapa, kama kofia, you name it, socks, anything, scarves, jewelry, put them together at this point. And also remember to check ile mode of traveling or transport unatumia, ni nini nakubali na ni nini nakataa. Jewelry zako za pesa mingi zisichukuliwe, useme sikukuambia. Then I carried a sweater, one sweater, just a very light sweater, jumali kulikuwa tunaenda kwa warm. A towel because I don't trust other people's towels. a bed sheet and a bed cover because of bed bugs. Why? Be very careful in accommodations zenye zenu. This plastic bag nilitumia kuweka essentials zenye sikuwa nataka ziwe chafu kama toothbrush, toothpaste, roll-on, you name it. Alafu kumbuka your ID and passport if needed. I'm gonna post a detailed travel prep video here on YouTube, so subscribe and turn on post notifications, especially if you're working on a budget kama mimi. Because hear me out, you can travel, have fun and still look good on a budget. Wow, jana nilikuwa sherehe, nimepata hadi sauti imeisha, but anyways, party tena. Yo, what's up? We were still doing maintenance for this trip. I just have today and tomorrow, then we leave on Tuesday. I did my nails, I will show you. I also did my toenails. Now what I'm left to do is my hair. I have an appointment today in the afternoon ya kwenda salon. Then nini ingine nafaa kufanya? I'm supposed to look at my general body, like kama shavy, niwe pack, my bag is ready, everything is ready, but kuna vitu nilitoa kwa bag juu nilikuwa nahitaji for yesterday ndo nimetoka hiyo nini, but nitazirudisha leo after nime clean. Also kuna kango kamoja nililetea nataka kuiclean nione kama itakauka niende nayo. Yeah, I guess ni hivyo. So niko na lines juu navaa wig, saa hii naenda church. Then in the afternoon nitaenda tu, nilishuka lines 4 juu itakuwa easy kuvomoa. Nilikuwa nataka kushuka twingi lakini niko na wire hapana. I'm not even staying with them for a long time. Sikuwa tu za wig. So naenda kutengenezwa, acha nivae nguo na I'm dressing up for church. Just a simple top from Think Twice and palazzo pants, wide-legged, very wide. I got this from my friend when I was in campus. Yeah, let me go to church then. Afterwards nava wigi yangu ile mzee ile ya kitambo, hiyo ingine imetangula hapo na mimi siko ready kuanza kutoanisha. Let me do that. I just did a whole video of me talking like when I record. Wow, how silly of me. But anyways, I've already done my hair, my nails, everything that you can think of, my body. I want to take a shower. I'm leaving very, very early. I might not get time to take a full good shower in the morning because I'm leaving at 3 or 4. Then in the morning it will be just easy. Itakuwa tu freshen up na kuchukua vitu zangu na kutoka. I've already done majority of the packing. I'm just adding a few things that I got just from the shop. That is from the supermarket. Some snacks for the journey because snacks the SGR are quite expensive. Already nimewapea secret ya mali naenda, nilikuwa nataka ikwe surprise ya kama ku unfold ama ku unveil. But anyways, and also there's one outfit that I want to add just in case one of my swimming attires does not collaborate also pia, so just to be safe. Unabebanga nguo kama 5 za kuwa safe. If you know, girl man. Nini ingine, I went to find some things that I needed and I got them all. I'm having some pineapple here as I wait for my mom to do her hair. What else? Yeah. Acha nimaliza kupack juu najua nitakujua sasa kutoa makazi. So, if you have watched until this far, thank you so much. We're coming to the end of the video and I appreciate you watching my videos. It's so, I don't know. Wacha tu niwaambie, I feel so honored. Sometimes I may take this for granted, but guys, I feel so nice when you watch my videos. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Yeah, I'm very honored. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share with your friends. I'm gonna see you on day 1 of the trip. So I hope that you enjoyed this series. I love you so much. Mwah.